Today we're heading up north to a little place called Sandy Cape. You know, they say life's all about the journey. And I tell you what, when I'm here, I can tell exactly what they mean. Check out that view. What a spot to air the tyres down, hey? In sad news, however, I have decided that it's a little bit too windy to stay camped down there. I was hoping that in the afternoon the wind would die off a little bit, but it's just getting worse. I've had to put the awning down because it was getting blown around like crazy and didn't want to get it ripped off the car. But anyway, better moving sooner rather than later. Still got plenty of daylight left, and hopefully we can find ourselves another spot just as beautiful, but hopefully less windy and more livable. Anyway, see how we go. Let's get back on the road. Okay, here we are in destination number 2 for the day. It's not bad, is it? 2 camp spots for one day. This one's much better suited. I don't know what I was thinking trying to camp on the beach before. It's something I've always wanted to do, like camp right on the beach, but it's so hard to find a day when there's not wind, and just like if you're camping on the beach and there's any wind, you're just gonna get blown away, which is exactly what was happening back at the old bay. But this one's not too bad. There's a kind of like a nice valley of dew that we're kind of positioned in the middle of. Still nice and close to the water, not quite as close as before, and you have to just ignore the seaweed patch in front, but that's what we're out here for, to get out in nature, and that's a part of it, so that's fine. I've had to do a bit of handy work to get the car level. That's one downside to having a slide out cooker like mine and also a rooftop tent. You pretty much have to get the car level if you want to have a comfortable night's sleep, and you don't want your cooker to just like retract itself back in or slide further out into you. Anyway, I might get camp set up and make this feel a bit more like home. Let's get into it. You remember all those beautiful blue skies from earlier? Now look what's happened. Got some dark clouds rolled in to overtake those beautiful blue skies, so that was pretty short-lived, but that's the weather for you, and that's what you kind of sign up for when you come camping. The weather can do whatever it likes, change in a moment's notice, but that's fine. We've got the awning to keep us dry even if it starts raining. It's not too cold, but I've still rugged up a little bit anyway. Got a bit of late lunch on the go, making a chicken burger, complete with a bit of salad on the side to try and stay healthy. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. So on the menu for dinner tonight is going to be camp oven pizzas. Got my pizza bases ready, and we're going to cook those straight in the fire. But of course for that we're actually going to need to have a fire. So that's what I'm going to be up to for the next couple of hours. I'm going to get that fire going, feed it. So when time comes for dinner, we've got a nice bed of hot coals ready to go, ready to make those delicious pizzas. Let's get to it. Oh, I'm gonna call that ready. That looks absolutely delicious. I can actually see a bit of the cheese like bubbling. Just finished cooking up a pizza in the camp oven on the fire for dinner. Turned out really, really good. Well, I'm gonna say that because it looks good, but we'll see what it tastes like. I tell you what, it doesn't get much better than that. Wood fire pizza cooked right here in camp on our very own fire. Waves crashing in the background. That wind's died right down as well, so safe to say it was a good call to move to this second bay. Yeah, what a good end to a fantastic day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along. Make sure you let me know if you've been enjoying this style of video. Yeah, I guess that's all there is to it. I'm gonna eat my pizza, enjoy my dinner, and then sit by the fire for a bit and go to bed, I reckon. Thanks again for coming along. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's episode of this mini-series. Cheers. Oh my God, it's so good.